Hi there, hope you're doing good. So this is the second video of the demo for this particular monthly expense record sheet. Okay, so the question, how we are going to enter the data in here. Let me show you how we are going to enter. So these are the three legends which I just showed you in the previous video. That these are the headings with the bold gray colors. Yellow cells are input in dollars, right? In dollars, and for the load miles, those will be numbers only. So you just need to enter the numbers in here. So you don't need to change any of the other sheet, any of the other cell except the yellow cells. So for example, for the month of January, if the truck payment is something 400, let me enter random values in here. I'm just entering some values. For the mail logging, I'm just entering so these are few random values. For the miscellaneous expense, yes, we can use the same. And let me put for the gross value, I'll enter a higher value so that I can, yeah, there are no negative values. For the load miles, you need to enter the number of miles in here. So for example, if I'll say 2000 miles, and for the unloaded miles, these should be 4000. Let me put 15500. And yes, these are not the currencies. These should be the numbers. Okay, because the load mile will be automatically calculated the cost against those. And after the freight drop off, let me enter a random value in here as well, maybe 400. Okay, so I'll use the same concept for the week 2. So for example, if there are only 3 weeks data we have already entered, so you can see now all the other values in the gray cells are being automatically calculated, and the totals are also visible. Let me enter the value for the last month, last week as well. Now you'll see the totals are being calculated. So this is how you can track the for the month of January. And for the month of January only, you can see in here, this is plotted for the month of January only. If you want to change it, you can just click on this filter button and change the month. Currently, we don't have any February or March data. We have only January. So if I click on February and apply, you will see nothing plotted because there is no data for this February. All the cells are empty. Here you can see the distribution accordingly, which I have already explained in the previous video. So this is how you can enter the data on yellow cells. So you don't need to make any changes in any of the other cells except the yellow cells. So this is January. Similarly, you can enter the data for February and March and on so forth, so on. So that's it from my side. Thank you.